Alrighty, y'all, now that we've got our potato chips under our hababichi with some milk, butter, and sour cream, I am just adding in some onion powder, granulated onion, perfect. We're gonna add in some garlic. Ooh, I can already smell it, smells amazing. It's gonna go so well with these natural cut potatoes. So I can already see them turning creamy, juicy, and delicious. They're just gonna melt in our mouth. We're gonna season with a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, of course. Ooh, yes. This is about to be a crowd pleaser. Y'all are gonna love this. This is one of my absolute favorite things to make for a summertime barbecue. I'm just putting a little bit of salt on here just to accentuate those flavors. All right, we've got some medium cheddar here. Can't have potatoes without some cheddar. Cheddar makes everything better. Or of course, whatever kind of cheese you like. It's totally up to you. And we're using the fancy stuff today, the Tillamook. Perfect. Break up some of those little clusters. And now I'm coming in with my real bacon bits. Now you could always do strips of bacon and just cut them up, leave them larger, whatever you like, but we just wanted to use the bacon bits for ease today. Alrighty, y'all, I'm just gonna close the lid on this for about 3 minutes and let that butter melt. All right, y'all, it's been 3 minutes. We're just gonna start mixing and mashing. I'm just gonna kind of break up my butter, melted cheese here. Just start breaking up these chips. I got my potato mashers here. There we go. Y'all, this smells incredible already. This is such a fun delicacy for your family. Kind of like a summertime fair favorite. You ever go to the county fair and they have all kinds of different fried food and potatoes and everything fun like that. This is one of my favorite things to get and share with the people I love. Oh my goodness. We are just letting all of this melt and mix together. It's getting super creamy. You can see that these potatoes are completely hydrated and covered in cheese and just looking absolutely incredible. Oh my goodness. I'm loving the smells coming off of this. Those spices were perfect. Just a little bit of our garlic and onion. Oh, this is looking so good. We're just gonna incorporate with our hababichi flippers now, mixing in all that delicious butter, cheese, and bacon. You can just tell this has such a gorgeous, creamy texture. Oh, yes. And you could do something with, instant mashed if you want, but I like the taste and style of these home style natural cut potatoes. They're just what the doctor ordered for a summer cookout classic. Alrighty, we're just gonna cut a little green onion on top for some greenery and some festivity. Look, when I always say when you put some green on something, all of a sudden it's a salad. Doesn't this just look divine? Oh my gosh. So excited to try this with that sour cream. Woo! Love it. Let me get myself a nice heaping portion here. Oh, our bacon, our cheesiness, our potatoes. You could try this with ranch. You could try this with all kinds of seasonings like the sour cream and onion flavoring combination. Oh, wow. This is heaven. Y'all, this is so good. You got to try it.